Welcome everyone to the video illustration series of 2254. In this video we'll be discussing arithmetic operations on functions. So let's say we have a function f of x which is equals to 2x plus 4 and another function, say g of x equals x squared plus 2. So we have to find out f of x plus g of x, f of x minus g of x, and f of x multiplied by g of x. So first of all, let's look at the addition. So we have 2x plus 4 plus x squared plus 2. So we'll be adding the similar terms together. So we have x squared plus 2x plus 6. And for the subtraction, we have 2x plus 4 minus x squared minus 2. So we'll be having minus of x squared, minus of x squared plus 2x plus 2. For the multiplication, we have 2x plus 4 multiplied by 2, x squared plus 2. So the way we'll be multiplying this is we'll be multiplying 2x with x squared first and then 2x with 2, and then we'll be multiplying 4 with x squared and then 4 with 2. Let's see how this goes. Let's move it a little bit. Okay. So we have 2x multiplied by x squared will be having 2x cubed plus 2x multiplied by 2 is 4x plus 4 multiplied by x squared is 4x squared plus 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So if we talk about the domains for these functions, we have the domains for these functions, as all these functions are polynomial and they don't have anything in their denominators or fractions. So the domains for these functions will be always all the real values, all the real numbers. So 1 infinity to infinity, which means we plug in any value of x in these functions, we'll be getting a definite value. Alright, now let's talk about division. So let's say we are dividing g of x by f of x, which means, g of x is x squared plus 4 divided by 2x plus 4. So now we have to find the domain of this function. So we have to find the values of x where the denominator becomes 0, where we will get this kind of a form. So how we'll find this is, we will set the denominator equals to 0. So 2x plus 4 equals 0. What we'll do is we'll take 4 on the right hand side, becomes minus 4, and which gives us x equals minus 2. So the domain for this function is minus infinity to minus 2 union minus 2 to infinity. Let's take another example. So if we are dividing, let's say 1 divided by x squared minus 4. We have to find the domain for this function. So the same steps will set the denominator equals 0. So that is x squared minus 4 equals 0. So that gives us x squared equals 4 and x equals plus and minus 2. Now let's see how we'll write this thing. So the domain for this function becomes minus infinity to minus 2 union minus 2 to 2 and union 2 to infinity. So that's how we perform the arithmetic operations on functions. If you have any questions or any queries, you can email me or any other TAs. And hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much.